Welcome back. In this section, we are going to discuss about concat command, FileSystem Shell Command, concat. Usage will be Hadoop space FS, that is file system, space hyphen concat, target file and source file. Concat exists source file into the target file. Target file and the source file should be in the same directory. So this is one of the important thing to note. That the target file and the source file should be in the same directory. Now let's move to the practical demonstration of it. So let's get started. Let's understand concat command. For that we will display files. If I type Hadoop FS cat user / data engineer files data example8.txt, it won't show any content because file is empty. So the file is empty. Example 8 doesn't have any content. So here you can see example 8 file size of the file is 0. Now let's display the content of example3.txt. Let's display content of example4.txt. We are going to merge these two files into a single file. So for that I will write Hadoop FS hyphen concat user / data engineer / files data example8.txt. This is the target file in which the data will be written, and these are the two files which we want to merge, that is example3 and example4.txt. So let's execute the command. So now let's concat, it is cat command, to display the content of example8.txt. I am using the same command which I have written earlier. Hadoop FS cat user data engineer files data example8.txt. It will have content of these two files. So here you can see these two files have been merged and named as example8.txt. If I type Hadoop FS ls and the file location, you will see example3 and example4 are no more because their content has been merged into example8. So here you can see example3 and example4 has been removed and example8 has been updated with the content of example 3 and 4. This is how concat works. So that's all for this lecture. See you in the next video.